how to link Calendly to Squarespace. In this video, we're going to be talking about the most incredible calendar platform out there. It's called Calendly, and we're going to be talking about how you can connect it to your Squarespace, because Calendly has good calendar options that you can access with Squarespace's very own booking and appointment features. So if you want to actually add this to your Squarespace, what you're going to be doing is basically whatever event you have running on, like let's say I have this event over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on copy link, and I'm going to open up this event just like this, and we're going to click on share. Now once we click on share here, it's going to say add to website. So you're going to click on add to website, and you're going to choose whatever you want. Do you want it a pop-up text, pop-up widget, or inline embed? Now most of the times I would recommend going with inline embed, and once you do this, this is basically going to be your embed code. So you're going to copy that code, and once you've copied this code, basically what you can do is you can go to Squarespace, and you can pretty much inline embed it when you are in your editor space. So right about here, let's say you're over here, right? So you're gonna go ahead and go to any Squarespace section and just embed the code that we just copied off into your Squarespace's design. And that is basically how you can link Calendly to Squarespace in the easiest and most simplest way. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.